Okay, here's part two. We're gonna go over about disassembling everything in here. So first you want to start off with removing this lid here. You know, pop it off, put it down over here to the side. Then you're gonna grab a flathead screwdriver, or you're gonna grab a drill like I do. And remove this. Actually, just gonna loosen that, and then you're gonna loosen this one over here. Okay, so you're just going to loosen those two. Again, it's this one right here and this one up here. And then you're going to, there's some tips down here on the bottom of this little white tab here. It's kind of like a little lock. So you squeeze them at the bottom, kind of push up on it. I'll pop them up, and then you just pull this out. All right, and then this whole thing just comes off. Boom. See, simple. Set it over here to the side. Then next, we're gonna remove this little guy right here with a 1/2 inch long socket here, like that. All right, so now we're gonna start to remove that one. Just be gentle with it because it is plastic. Okay. All right, so set this here, set this one here, and then now you can lift this up. It slides out of there, and you'll need to remove this here. So it's just like the other one. You're gonna squeeze the tips at the bottom, and it'll pop. It should pop up. So squeeze the bottom. See how it just popped up? Then that should disconnect right here. Sorry, trying to do it with one hand. So, all right, and then this one has a little tab right here. Just squeeze it, and it should come off also. All right, so yeah, squeeze it, comes right off. So this is free. Now you need to remove this right here, this little bolt. All right, now that one is a 10 millimeter. So, all right, so I got my ratchet. I'll do that one. All right, so I'm not gonna completely remove it because, like I said, I don't really need to do all that. But so you're gonna remove this one. This whole entire bolt assembly comes out, so it's not just that little nut; it's that whole one right here, and that's fine. So you take it out, put it over here, undo this one, and then that's going to loosen this one up. Now this goes to the top part of the turbo. When you go underneath, it goes connected to here. There's a hose clamp right there, which I'm going to try and show you here in a second. Okay, so remember we're dealing with this this air intake goes down, and you'll see the hose clamp right there that I'm pointing. I got my pointer on right there. That hose clamp, you're going to undo that one, and then that piece is going to come up. Now is going to be loose. Now before you get to anything further, you're gonna get I believe this is a 15 millimeter. Yeah, 15 millimeter socket, and you're gonna want to loosen this nut and that nut right back there, and do the same to these two over on this side, this one and that one. Just loosen it all the way up to the top, because what happens is you need to get this